Last time we talked about this, we were giving the advice to the insurtech entrepreneur out there, but this is also advice to like the insurtech salesperson. If they're not speaking the right language, you're going to go through some pilot with this prospect. You're going to do some POC, and you're both going to waste a lot of time and end up heartbroken. So I think of this, and look, not a salesperson. I've never sold anyone anything as far as I know. But if you're not on the same page, then this is not a pursuit for you. This should be part of your qualification process up front.
Exactly. And that goes back to what I like, you could sell the technology, but if you're not actually sure what the goal is, then there's no incentive to say, well, I'm going to take a shot on this tech versus this tech if you don't really understand the desired outcome. But most importantly is, as the buyer, you have to know the desired outcome, right? Is it to automate a piece of it? Is it to automate the whole thing? What is that range of, to your point, of accuracy, right? Or it might even not have to, like, I'm going to counter what you said, like 100% accuracy is important. 100% accuracy should be what you aim for. But if current accuracy is 50%, and you can automate to 75, that's an incremental, progression towards that 100. As the system gets smarter, then hopefully you get to that 100. But that automation can already improve it.
No, absolutely. Now you're implying that people actually know what the accuracy of their processes is, and I don't see that a lot, honestly.